What's up, everybody? Troy Kearns, real estate investor, bringing it to you live from Kansas City, Missouri on Armour Boulevard on my biggest flip ever, a 31-unit apartment building that I parlayed a tow yard into. Me and my wife, we've fixed this whole property up. We're gonna bring you inside, show you all we've got going on, what we still gotta finish, and the problems that we had to begin with. Let's go check it out. We just got done with our contractor. He finished what he's supposed to done, or mostly finished what he was supposed to do. So we're gonna walk through with another contractor that is going to finish the rest, okay? So you might be asking, like, why are you doing that? Well, the guy we hired in the beginning is a friend of mine and GC, licensed GC, so we felt like, you know, on such a big project, we need to have a professional in here. So he did a really good job, but towards the end, he kind of slowed down a little bit, and we met with him and walked through, and he said he'd take care of all of our needs and necessities, and he ended up giving us another bill for taking care of that. So we just said, you know what? He doesn't want to finish it out. And so that's okay. That's his decision. Yeah, let's walk through a unit to show you how it all looks all the way. So this is a completed unit. So this is a TV niche. I guess that's what we're calling it. This is a fridge niche. This is the fridge. This is the bedroom. And this is a big closet right here. Big bathroom. This is a fixer-upper. Like, we literally kept the tub the way it was. This is the original vanity. And when you put a shower curtain in there, we got this. Let's see if this works right here. Lights work, nice extra closet. These are really spacious units. So we're actually thinking about moving in here next and managing this on site, because my wife loves living in rentals, which is currently what we're doing right now. So we have another unit. This is all original. The only thing that we changed was the cabinets. The countertops are the original. This are new, and everything else is the same. Because the guys who we bought it from, the people who we actually bought the property from, and we have another big closet here. We could almost rent this room out. Yeah, I mean, we really could. I mean, look at how big this is. This is what they call, I know a lot of people who would be happy to live here. How much do you think someone would pay for rent? Comment below. This one's missing an oven too. Better make sure you talk to those guys before they get out of here. Different cabinets over here. These were just painted over, nice latex paint over. Came out really good. Nice amount of lighting in here. Good space for closets. I think these things are gonna rent for like $1,000 a piece, $900 a piece, something like that. Originally, we projected for $850. Now, this is where it stops. We'd asked him to label all of the paint here. It's not labeled. We're gonna do that. And that's where you have to go back through. Now where we're settling up with the account, we have to actually go back through, because now we have a difference of agreements, right? And even though this is somebody that we're doing business with, it's like we had conversations, but he said in those conversations, it's all what's in writing. So now we're gonna put what's in writing back on him and say, this, that, and the other thing need to be completed. So these things didn't get completed. We're kind of picking up a lot of stuff that should have been put together, left for us in good shape, and we got to go back and find everything, which is one of the reasons why I do most of the stuff myself with me and my wife, because there's no one more organized than her. This is something that I would take a picture of and send to Dale. This is actually not satisfactory at all. You can tell that it didn't scrape this down. Yeah, look, I mean, this is just not proper. This is terrible, actually. This is either from water or just not sanding down. So we either have a leak coming on the inside or they didn't sand it down. This will be the basement, which we've already been to. We'll add that in there. You can see these are the original hardwoods. These are the new hardwoods. You've got a little bit of everything here. We're gonna save you the details. We're gonna be repainting these walls. This is semi-gloss. You can tell the color. This is a big project. We spent already over $500,000. Today is the day that we really go through the bids and make sure that everything that we paid for, we send over, and everything that we don't, we don't. You can see this right here. This is sloppy work. So there's a lot of issues that I'm not totally pleased about right now. Like the windows were left open and we just got windows dropped off with us. The bottom line is, if you're gonna do something, expect problems in construction. We're building our personal house. If you haven't checked out that video, you need to check it out. I want to show you the outside real quick. We still got to do some landscaping out here. We need to get the garbage cleaned around here. Oh, this is actually a really funny thing. This is like never been landscaped. We need to have somebody come out here and actually clean this up, pull this brush out, fix the sidewalk, get this dumpster out of here. This still hasn't been done. We got to pull this down. We're going to charge for that. We're not going to freaking just let it happen. We've already asked for it to be removed like 5 times. It's not been removed. If we have to remove it, we're going to charge for it, because that's called a charge back. We're walking this one final time to figure out how much money we're paying our contractor. We spent a lot of money. We're paying cost plus 20. So if we spent $500,000, we're spending $100,000 of that to have a contractor supervisor. So I'm overall very pleased, but towards the end I'm not, right? Like the way it was handed off to us is kind of like, here it is, it's yours. You know, it shouldn't be. It should be kept up and cleaned. Yeah, we've got a bunch of beer bottles here. So we really need to have someone come through here. They didn't do nothing. I don't know who the hell we paid. They're supposed to lay a bunch of straw. They're supposed to lay a bunch of grass seed. I don't see nothing. I don't know what we paid them to do. They didn't cut any of the hedges back. I don't know why the hell we paid them to do anything. Hey, what's up, dude? We're gonna record everything. You know what we got going on?
Yeah, she has.
All right, so you're gonna put all the doors back where they need to go? Mm-hmm. Those are all front doors, right?
No, those are closet doors.
These are closet doors?
Yeah,
all these
doors are already up there.
Okay, we wanna come and build those little storage things, you know what I'm talking about? Like straight across from here all the way to this thing with kind of stuff, something like that. This type of metal, something that we can just put together and close it. They can see their stuff in there. I'll show you some stuff online and we can design it, but that's what we're gonna need to do down here. So these are for one of our rentals, so we can drag those to wherever we need those. Also, plywood for roof, so you know where to get it. Yeah, yeah, right. For my properties only. So Steve bid to fix these. He's already gonna replumb these right here. Yeah, it's $850 to redo these whole thing, which is commercial, so it's not that bad.
Did you see the new ones? The cost of the new ones?
How much are they?
$8,000 and $14,000.
That's ridiculous. $8,000 for a water heater? All right, we gotta look for a better price. That's ridiculous. That's like price of plumbing a whole house. Stuff like this is just what, abandoned pipe? Chop it off, cut it, so it's not hanging down there. Sure, they have some issue. In terms of down here, same type of thing. I would just repost this sign up and let's clean off all the flake and paint and then spray. Just spray these like our normal, yeah, use that porch paint gray.
Oh, okay.
You know the same color you're painting the porches? Yeah. Use that. Paint this door so it looks brand new. This stuff, paint it all white through this whole thing here. Pure white, creamy, and make it semi-gloss. Yeah, we just need it. This area just needs to be cleaned up and painted just like the basement down here. And that's honestly probably the last thing we're gonna touch. But let's touch the hallways and stuff first and the baseboards and stuff first. So basically everything on this side is done, right? On the side of this thing. So you can tell this one's like 90% done. Okay, so let's go down to the lobby.
An elevator?
Yeah.
We're not using it.
We're not using it. It works.
It works?
I got it fixed. It's too small. It's like,
Yeah.
you know what I mean? Yeah, so right here, you can see.
Gloss stain that doesn't match. And you know, honestly, I'd wait till like later on because people keep bunking into it. This should be at the end.
Yeah, do this at the end.
Well, we wanted to match this. You see, it's like, I don't know, they went much darker on that.
Yeah.
Right, so the doors are first. Hallway, well, what's easier? Is it better to do the floors first for you?
Yeah. Because
So
then the dust, you know, when
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
So the only thing is I would put those doors on first before you get the dust in those rooms.
I mean, they're not painted yet, you know, so.
Okay. Linwood came out great, man. I think that's your best job yet, to be honest with you. How's 55th going? Can I sell that property yet?
Nah.
What's up? I hope you enjoyed checking out this property. If you did, make sure you hit the subscribe button, make sure you give us a like, and make sure you get started investing in real estate. You may be able to buy a bigger unit than I did. You may be able to get started faster than I did, but the only way you're gonna do that is by hitting that subscribe button and getting started by writing down your goals. Make sure you get started investing in real estate. I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace!